Are you spending hours or even days backtesting your trading strategy, manually testing different parameters? MA20, MA30, MA40? Just imagine cutting that time down to just a few minutes. In this video, I will show you a simple Python method that can save me over 1,000 hours of research and testing. And you will learn how to automatically optimize your strategy using a method that is fast, efficient, and focusing on finding the best result based on the Sharpe ratio. So stay tuned because this is exactly the solution you've been looking for. By the end of this video, you'll be able to test dozens of parameter combinations like moving averages and thresholds in seconds instead of wasting hours doing it manually. If you have been looking for a way to supercharge your backtesting efficiency, you are in the right place. So we are going to dive straight into the codes and show you how it works. And by the end of this video, you will see exactly how to optimize the strategy based on the performance metrics like the Sharpe ratio. So let us jump in. So if you want to get this Python script yourself, make sure to join our Discord in the link below. Okay, so as mentioned on our previous video, like does MA38 is the best parameter that we use for NVIDIA? It might not be the case, guys. Okay, so in this newly updated Python script, we will give it a range. Okay, we'll give it a range to test from 10, we'll test it from 0 to 100 MA to see which MA itself will return you the best Sharpe ratio. Okay, so just don't worry all of those coding thing, all of this should be run, then you'll do already. All right, so we do still have an option to put in our initial capital. We put 300 as demonstration purposes. Okay, so what we need to do right now, we just need to run this code. Okay, run this code, and then it will automatically run itself, and you will see which MA is the best to apply in this strategy. So, yep, as you can see, after running this Python code itself, it shows you that a MA of 14 itself would be the best suit for you in this strategy for NVIDIA. Okay, each different kind of asset will have different combination of MA. Okay, so make sure to not use this MA in other asset like Bitcoin or other things. Okay, so if you want to do it for Bitcoin, so make sure to run a backtest again so that you will know that which parameter would be the best for the specific asset itself. All right. So as you can see from here, after it ran out, it shows you that MA window of 14 will be the best suit for NVIDIA itself. So let's just visualize it in our trading view. You can just go for MA 14, which means that it will be more stable. Okay, more stable. So you can see throughout all of all of the past few historical trades itself. Yeah, you can see whenever there is a upwards, you buy. Whenever there is a losses, it will minimize the losses. So when you lose a bit. When you earn a lot. Okay, so that is a key point over here. We want stability. Okay, we want stability through quant trading. So yep, you can visualize it right over here. Or maybe right now, let us try Bitcoin. Okay, let's try Bitcoin, BTC USD. Okay, and then let us run it. Okay, Bitcoin we normally won't use such a long number because it is just getting hot in the recent 3 to 4 years. Okay, we'll delete NVIDIA. So right now, let us run this code again to see what is the best. Okay, sorry, we ran the wrong code. So let us try to run this code again. All right, so you can see here, it chosen a MA of 70. Okay, MA of 70 instead of MA of 38, and it will give you a Sharpe ratio around 1.8. So you can see over here, when the bear market happens, it don't trade at all because this strategy itself we're just doing for a long only strategy. So maybe it could be better if you are doing it in a long and short strategy, so you can earn in a bear market as well. But still, it is still better than buy and hold, because for buy and hold, you will suffer losses, a very huge drawdown right over here. Okay, so yeah, this is the best MA you could use for Bitcoin by using this strategy itself. So yeah, the same thing, we can still go to Bitcoin, and then maybe you can change it to 70. And yeah, you can see almost every time whenever there is a big move trend going upwards, you can catch it by using this strategy itself. And it won't perform that well, okay, during a consolidation markets. But you won't lose a lot You will just lose a little bit, and then when the real market comes, when the real trends comes, you would earn it. Okay, you would earn it. Like these major trends. Okay, I can see here major trends. Consolidation, you won't earn major trends, major trends. Okay, so like I mentioned, if you want to optimize it even more, make sure to change your strategy itself. You can try to, when the MA cross below, then you go for sell, or MA cross above, you go long. You optimize it together to get the best strategy that best suits your own personal preference. All right. So yeah, the recent market, it shows a buy signal again. So let us see what it will do in the future markets. So yeah, here is it, guys. So this is how you can select the best parameter. So now you have seen a first hand on how this method can save you countless hours of backtesting while optimizing your strategy for the best performance. No more second guessing, no more tedious manual work, just results that drive better decisions and smarter trading. This isn't just about saving time, it is about working smarter and making sure every move in your trading process is backed by data and precision. So next time, when you find yourself stuck in testing strategy after strategy, remember, this method gives you the edge. It is time to take actions, automate your research, and let the number guide your success. If you want to get this code, make sure to join our Discord and I'll give you over there. So efficiency is everything. Now it is yours, and I'll see you on the next level. Bye.